Welcome to Webstyle Plus. New updates are coming to ChatGPT. OpenAI co-founder Greg Brockman recently unveiled these ChatGPT improvements during a TED Talk. He discussed the underlying design principles of ChatGPT and demonstrated some astonishing yet to be released plugins and features for the chatbot that have everyone buzzing with anticipation. These updates comprise a new user interface that integrates both model and plugins components. Additionally, ChatGPT will possess its own memory. Users will be able to choose plugins from a drop-down menu. As you can see, in the model section, the plugins option is selected. Following that, a second drop-down displays the available plugins. We can see the Dall-E app plugin, Retrieval plugin, Instacart plugin, and Zapier plugin. You will be able to select multiple plugins from the drop-down menu. Furthermore, there will be a plugin store allowing you to add even more plugins to ChatGPT. Dall-E is a 12 billion parameter version of GPT-3 by OpenAI, trained to generate images from text descriptions. Dall-E 2 produces even more realistic and accurate images with 4x greater resolution. With the Dall-E plugin, you can generate images directly within ChatGPT. It's as simple as enabling the Dall-E plugin and asking ChatGPT to create a specific image. In the live demo, when ChatGPT was asked for a meal suggestion along with a picture, it provided a meal idea and generated an image of the meal. Furthermore, the Retrieval plugin offers a versatile solution for semantic search, making it easy to find personal or work documents. The Instacart plugin streamlines the process of ordering items from your favorite local stores. The Zapier plugin focuses on service integration and workflow automation. In a subsequent demo, the Retrieval, Instacart, and Zapier plugins were used together to fetch saved meal information, create a shopping list for the meal, and publish a tweet for viewers. You need to enable the plugins. There's no need to instruct ChatGPT to use a specific plugin to perform a task. ChatGPT will automatically know when to utilize a particular plugin. In the model dropdown, we can see GPT-4, browsing, code interpreter, and plugins options. You will be able to select GPT-4 to communicate with ChatGPT. As you usually do. You will be able to select browsing model when you want ChatGPT to access the internet and retrieve the latest and updated information. The browsing tool can search the web, click on links, and find relevant and accurate data you require. It can fact-check current information, displaying its entire thought process while doing so. Additionally, it provides citations for the sources used. You will have access to another tool called the Code Interpreter. The Code Interpreter can work with Python and manage uploads and downloads. You will be able to upload a file to ChatGPT for processing. ChatGPT will then access your uploaded files, process them, and extract the relevant information you need from the files. For example, ChatGPT will be able to generate graphs from provided files. When you upload a file, ChatGPT will analyze it and suggest what you can do with the file. For example, if you provide a CSV file, it can analyze data, generate visualizations, and answer questions you might have about the content. ChatGPT will display visually appealing graphs based on the provided data. Features such as ChatGPT's memory, plugins, web searching, data uploading, graph visualization, image generation, and retrieving data within ChatGPT will position it as an extraordinary, groundbreaking AI innovation of the century. You will be able to utilize these features in ChatGPT very soon. This will revolutionize the way you interact with the web and conduct work online. Now we know how these tools are going to be integrated into ChatGPT and how it all will work. I am extremely excited about the new updates and can't wait to use them once they are available online. There is a video link in description that leads to the actual TED Talk video. Go check that out. It's a great video. Okay, I hope it was exciting for you. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.